Hello everyone, welcome to Pandey Guruji YouTube channel and Happy New Year to all of you. In this video I will discuss how you can search the job which is the permanent work from home. So if you are the working professional and working in the IT industry in any profile, and if you looking at the job change for and job change should be permanent work from home. So I will provide you some type of the guidance like while searching the job, how you can search the job which is the permanent work from home. And if you, even if you are in the fresher also, and if you want to join as a fresher, work from home, and lots of company are providing the job as a work from home. The reason is they can save lots of money from all type of the infrastructure or any other things. Okay, so basically while you searching the job, first you need to connect with the some colleague or the any of the working professional. So basically when you try to directly search the work from home in the work from home or the work from office job in the Google or the Naukri, might be if you applied and the call you not receive any type of the call. So this is the not the best approach. Okay, so basically when you apply the job, so first try to apply the job through the LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is the very good sources to apply the job right now. And if you working right, for example, if you working in the data analyst or the business analyst, whatever profile you searching the job in LinkedIn, so you can find the in the LinkedIn the job type is the permanent work from home, or the hybrid model, or the you need to become to the office. So you can just filter the job based on the model if you want to look up the job in the permanent work from home. Also you can search in the naukri.com. We have the filter option that we can apply all the job related to work from home. So and also you can search some type of the startup organization, some startup organization not from the India, some startup organization from the US. So basically, now after the COVID, many more organization which is not in the registered in the India, but they want to employ from the India. So what they do? So they basically tie up lots of small consultancy where you are the part of the payroll of the consultancy, but you will work for the startup of the US or the UK or other countries. So this type of the grooming job available in the India if you want to permanently, and also the payout is very more. Okay, so this is also very good opportunity for the developer, earn more money in term of the saving of the rent house, traveling, or the petrol bill, each and everything you can save, and you will also get the higher package as well if you have the talent. So basically you need to be do some type of the certification, whatever the field you have. Okay, so you can achieve because for the resume shortlisting point of view, the company basically they verifying that you are eligible for the particular role or not. So try to achieve some type of certification in our area, like if you have knowledge in the SQL or the .NET or the Python, so you can do at least one or two certifications. So the resume got shortlisted and you will get the permanent work from home job. Okay, so if you follow this type of the approach, you will definitely get the better job in the IT industry. Still, if you have any question, if you have any doubt, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and please enroll on my courses which is given in the video description. So thank you so much for the watching this video. We'll meet again in next one. Thank you.